Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to show your recent call log history to display all calls on your Android smartphone. So if your call log history is not showing up on your Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel device, in today's tutorial I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up the phone app. So you have to swipe up on your home screen. You want to select the phone app. Go ahead and select that. And then you want to select the recent button at the bottom. This will show you a recent call log and it should display all the calls here. And just you can go up to the top. You can search your contacts to see any recent calls you've made with them. And you can also select, if you select the three-dot icon at the top right, select call history. You can see all the recent calls you've made or received as well as missed calls by selecting the missed button. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.